Hello, we're going to make a video here, and this video will show how to set up the ECE Teaching Lab platform under your user ID to run Silvaco 2017. First thing we're going to do is start the MobaXterm application here in order to log into the ECE Teaching Lab platform. I have a predefined machine here, so I'm going to, actually what I'm going to do is I will I'll just click on my predefined machine, and it comes up with I'm in a machine called White, named after a retired professor, Professor White. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to type ls. Actually, what I'm going to do now is make this easier for you to read first. So I'll click on View. I'm going to get rid of that sidebar, and I'm going to maximize the screen, and then I'm going to increase the text size a couple of times here. So I'll hit View, Terminal Zoom a couple more times. Let's get it nice and big. Okay, so now I have bigger screen, bigger text. So now I'm going to type the word clear to get rid of that text up there at the top. There we go, clear. Okay, great. So now what I'm going to do is type the ls command. What I'm looking for is a directory called scripts, and these blue words here, those represent directories. The white text represents files. I don't see scripts in there. You may have scripts under your ID if you do not have a new ID and you've taken some classes. So what we can do is we'll type mkdir space -p and then the word scripts. Now if you do that, if you already have a directory called scripts, the command just won't do anything because of that -p. Worst case situation, if you forget the -p, it'll just say the directory already exists if you already had one. So if I do a change directory into scripts, you'll see that I don't have any files. Now you may have files again if you had taken a previous class and created a scripts directory. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go do another change directory, and we're going to go to /apps/scripts, and we'll type ls, and those are the directories under that /apps/scripts directory. We're going to do a change directory into Silvaco, and we'll do an ls. So we're going to want to get Silvaco 2017, so that's going to be under 2017, and it is the TCAD program TCAD programming stuff that we're looking at. So okay, there's the script for the Silvaco 2017. So what we're going to do now is we're going to type cp. We're going to copy this script over to that scripts directory we made. So it's cp and then Silvaco -2017 -tcad -env.sh, and then we're going to type $, capital HOME. That $, capital HOME is an environmental variable and represents your home directory. And then / and then scripts. Okay, now we're going to do a change directory to $, capital HOME /scripts, and we'll do an ls, and we see the file that we copied over. Okay, so now the next thing that we have to do is, and we're going to type cd just to simulate having just logged in, and if you type pwd, when you just log in, you arrive at your home directory. So I'm going to type cd scripts That takes us into the scripts directory. We'll type ls again. Now what we need to do is we need to set up an environment based on that Silvaco 2017 tcad env.sh. That's an environment shell. The way we're going to do that is we're going to type the word source space, and then we're going to type that Silvaco 2017 tcad env.sh. Okay. Now if we do a change directory back to our home directory, there's the present working directory command that I'm running just for kicks. Now if I run a program that is a Silvaco 2017 program like TonyPlot, this should come up and it should run this program. And we'll give it a second for the graphics to get back to our machine. And there's the graphics. I had to come down here and click. Interestingly, when it ran, the graphics are behind the shell prompt here. It's not a problem. We can just click it down here and it comes up. Excuse me. And we're going to go ahead and exit this. We'll run another piece of software. We'll run TonyPlot 3D. Now if I put an ampersand behind this command when I run it, a space and then an ampersand, it lets me get my $ prompt back. When I ran the TonyPlot, I lost my $ prompt, so I couldn't run more commands. So this is the TonyPlot 3D running. And we'll give this a second to finish up. Now your graphics will be a lot faster if you're on campus. If you're running from home, I'm running over a slow DSL line here, and the graphics can be quite a bit slower. And there comes your TonyPlot 3D. Okay, now that's all there is to setting yourself up and running on the Silvaco environment. Okay, thanks a lot for listening, and I hope this was helpful.